Hey ladies, just gonna give you a video of how to do some of the exercises for the day one workout, in case you're not sure. If you have weights, use those. If you don't have weights, you can use like a jug of water or whatever you need to use to give you a little extra resistance. Okay, the first one is upper body, and it's a shoulder press. So all you're doing with your weight, if you have two weights or if you have a barbell, or if you just want to do one arm at a time, you're starting here at 90 degrees, pushing up, coming back down, nice and slow, up and down, and that is the shoulder press. Okay, and the next thing is dips, and all you're doing with dips is you're taking your heels of your hands and you're putting them on the edge of a bench, and you are kicking your feet out so that your legs are straight, and you're bending your elbows so that your butt is going down towards the ground and you're pushing back up. And you're going to do as many of those as you can. That's what failure means until you can't do any more. And you should feel that in the back of your arms. Okay, the next upper body exercise is front raise to lateral raise. Again, you can use two weights. If you only have one weight and it's heavy, you can put two hands on one weight. Alright, so you can do front raise to lateral raise. So you're going to the front and then to the side, just like that. And you're going to do 10 total. So this is 1, 2, all the way to 10. Alright? And then tricep kickbacks. You can bend, you can get on your hands and knees, you can bend over something. You're starting with your elbow in a 90-degree angle. You're kicking back and coming back. Okay, so you're not moving your shoulder. All you're moving is your elbow. And you're going to do 10 each arm. Okay? You're going to want to really use a lighter weight for that because, again, your tricep muscles are going to be smaller than your shoulder muscles. For lower body, you're going to do 3 rounds, and then you're going to do each round, go through each exercise one time. So body weight squat, you're just putting your weight down and you're squatting down 90 degrees on your knees and back up. If you want to add weight or resistance, a goblet squat, you hold it right under your chin just like that. Same thing, down and up. And you're doing that 10 times. When you're finished doing 10 of those, you're going to do squat pulses, okay? So all you're doing is getting in a squat position. Let me put this down a little bit so you can see. A squat position, and you're just pulsing. And you're going to do that 20 times, okay? So you're holding that squat, and you're just bouncing a little bit, and you're doing that 20 times. And then you're going to do a 30-second squat hold. So you're getting in a squat, and you're holding it for 30 seconds. You're going to do that 3 times, okay? If you have any questions, or if there's something you don't understand, just let me know. Good luck. Look forward to seeing you soon.